This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 78 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet, the Ring Finger Part 4. About halfway through, I think. There's normally 9, I believe, episodes in each finger. I could be wrong. It's about there. Of Gems and Heroes. To me, my heroes. Your lives are in the balance. Is that? It's obviously Hulk, but I don't know who any of the others are. Nope, not sure I recognise any of them. There we go. All of that. There's Ant-Man. And again, I don't recognise any. Is that Ms. Marvel? She's got a thing like that, hasn't she? All good stuff. All about the saga of the Gauntlet, if you want to read all of that. So let's have a look. This is the elements that form the inner structure of the next joint. And an outside bit as well. So yeah, we've got the other side to put onto that with a washer. Oh, the middle piece. Yeah, the middle piece where the front panel fits onto. Then washer in the outer piece, and that's it. Again, another bit done, and yeah, give or take halfway down. Cool. Iron Hammer. Who's Iron Hammer? It's some sort of Iron Man Thor hybrid. Sigurd Stark. I don't know who that is. Doesn't know he's the son of Howard Odin. Who's Howard Odin? I don't know. Fusion of two heroes of Earth 616, Iron Man and Thor. I figured it was that. I got the fusion bit right, but it's these alternate Earths. They're confusing the hell out of me. There we go. Interesting stuff if you want to read about it, but I can't get my head around all the alternate universes. Nick Klein, Stormbreaker. All about him if you want to read about that. And there we go, another issue complete. Oh, we haven't got the little logo on the back of this one. That's interesting. Right, let me clear this out of the way and let's get with the build. Okay, here we are. Oh, I did correct this. The first bit that I did many moons ago, the screw that held the little bit to the big bit was a little bit loose, so it enabled that just to flop around a bit. So I've tightened that, and now that is back where it should be, and all back together as it should be as well. So that is that, nice and easy. We've got our inner piece that pushes in place like that, and then we've got this that's going to go over there, and that a bit like that, with the washer filling in that gap there, and then the other side of that holds onto there. Cool, that is that. I don't need to do anything with that bit yet, do I? No, because this is going to be the next bit from there. We can't do anything with that as yet. But we do need a screw to hold the other side of that together. Through there, and that will also hold our washer in place. So there we go. That is that. Once that is tightened up in there, cool. So we've got that now working there, ready for that to be added down there. It might be that way around. No, it can't be that way around. It must be that way around. It's going to go on there like that over the next bit that goes on the outside. So we're getting there. So another issue done, ready for the next one. I shall see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.